how to get Meta AI on Instagram. So if you want to get Meta AI on Instagram, then first check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you need to simply go for your Play Store or your App Store and then go for the search and search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, here you may have an update option. So I just updated my application. If you have an update, you need to simply go for the update and update your application. Once you've updated, you will have the Meta AI option. But even after updating, if you still don't have the Meta AI option, then that means that in that country or in your region, Meta AI option is still not available. So that might be the reason. But if it's available in your region, then you need to simply open up your Instagram, go for the messages, which is on the upper right, and tap on any one of the chat or any one of the message, and go for the message bar and type @Meta AI, and you need to send that. And once you've sent, your Meta AI will be activated if you have that in your country or in your region. So that's how you can get the Meta AI on Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.